When a single glass of milk reaches the body, an extraordinary internal journey begins. As it moves toward the stomach, the body prepares itself for the influx of essential nutrients. The stomach receives the milk in a surge of motion, breaking it down with precision, extracting every beneficial component hidden within its creamy structure. From here, nutrients travel into the small intestine, where millions of microscopic villi begin absorbing calcium, proteins, and vital vitamins. These elements enter the bloodstream like glowing particles, instantly energizing the body's internal systems. As these nutrients circulate, the brain becomes one of the first beneficiaries. Neurons activate more rapidly, synapses strengthen, and cognitive pathways brighten with enhanced focus. Muscles, too, respond with remarkable clarity. Fibers begin repairing, strengthening, and rebuilding under the influence of milk's dense protein supply. Deep inside the gut, the microbiome becomes more balanced, thriving as beneficial bacteria multiply and reinforce digestive health. The entire body radiates a renewed sense of strength and energy. But like all powerful nutrients, milk can produce certain side effects. In sensitive individuals, stomach lining may become irritated, responding with inflammation or discomfort. Some may experience allergic reactions, where the skin and immune system activate defensive responses. For others, the natural sugars in milk may create a temporary spike in blood glucose, shifting energy levels. Occasionally, fatigue may appear as the body struggles to process components it cannot fully tolerate. The journey of milk through the human body is complex, dynamic, and deeply interconnected, revealing how every sip can influence health in powerful and diverse ways.